Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily install plugins on your ELGATO Facecam Pro. So, as you guys can see here, we are in the camera hub, and now we need to click this little icon here, which is the ELGATO Marketplace. As you guys can see here, we have everything. Let's say in living color. Let's choose vintage. Now we can simply click get. And now we need to open it in the camera hub. Now let's go over and see if our LUT is right here. As you guys can see, we can basically add it here. Let's go with vintage again. And now let's go over to Camera Hub. As you guys can see, it's loaded right here and it's selected here. So it worked. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe and follow for more exciting tutorials. Bye.